Welcome back, chaps. Out in another wild camp. I'm not alone this time with Stu. I've also got the Geordie wild camper coming. I'm heading up to the Scottish borders. Currently I'm in Northumberland. I'm going to camp in an old Roman fort. Currently there's snow on the ground. You can't see any here, but there is higher on the tops. So maybe when we get a little bit higher up, you'll be able to see. So it's a nice calm day. We're not forecast for any snow over here. I think it's 25 km/h winds. Temperature forecast -7, so a nice cold one. I'm sure we'll enjoy it. So as you've seen, the new Flextail Tiny Pump 2X. Flextail has kindly sent us that, so thanks to them. It is much better than the old one, especially the attachments, as you can see there. These here, just literally push into the end of there and the stain. With the other one, you did have the small little piece that come out the side and it used to always fall off, which I found irritating as your airbed would change quite a lot. New improved motor, 180 litres a minute. It will last 15 minutes on a full run, endurance one, as I say. I like the design a bit better anyway, and they've come up with a new idea of that, so you can make it into a light. So you get that, as you can see inside of there, it's got a little flap bit. See in there, it's got a flap bit. So we'll go into there, same as before, keep the button held in, you'll get the light on, push that down into there, and then somehow, it is a bit fiddly, you press it in. There we go. Well, that's us both set up now. Mine as usual. Using the big Alak. We've got the black label poles in too, so it's a proper bomb shelter. But I don't know if you can pick that up at the moment. Got a little bit of snow coming in too. Might wake up like the Cheerios. Might wake up like the Cheerios. But yeah, -5 wind chill. Absolutely bitter. But it is absolutely lovely up here. If you know this area, then you will know where we're at anyway. But as you can see, it's a nice round hill fort. It's a nice hill fort, to be honest with you. It's not that high, 300 and some metres. I'll put it on the screen. But yeah, it's going to be a canny night. Absolutely bitter outside, so me and Stu's popped in. Going to put our base layers on and get myself prepared for the colder temperatures. Because once that sun drops, it will drop really low. I've got my little thermometer with us, so hopefully we get some nice, very cold -degree temperatures on that, shall I say. Yeah, hopefully we get some nice low temps, and I'll be able to put that on the screen tomorrow as well. So yeah, having that globe on there makes a massive difference. It does make it compress a lot, so it does virtually go anywhere within your bag. But yeah, it does spread the light a lot. A really nice feature that I've got there. But overall, I'm really impressed with it. It's a lot better than the last one. So just for the volume of air you get from it as well. But it does state it'll pump up 15 air beds, so that is really good. With the old one I had, I pumped up a double air mattress, 2 chairs and an air sofa, and I still use it all night as a lamp. So it'd be good to see what this is like to pump it up, which I will be testing out in the summer, as I've got a big massive 6-man family tent, so that has got a lot of things inside of it that do need pumped up, as I explained before. But yeah, really impressed with these. Highly recommend it if you're into wild camping, get one. Can not only do the flow your air mattress up, which, don't get us wrong, you can use your mouth, but you will get mould inside of it, which will then start affecting the R value to a certain point, as the mould is supposed to damage the insulation, things like that. And with it doing that, obviously you can use it as a lantern as well, which is very handy. So for the weight of what it would be on a lamp, you also get a pump. For what the price is, I'd definitely get one. Another shout out to Dave Outdoors. He sent me a sticker, so I sent him one back. I decided it was going on my power bank, which I take everywhere with us when I go wild camping. So yep, there it is. Cheers, Dave. So I've just given it a temperature check the outside. I'm currently sitting at just over, or shall I say under -5, so -5.15 I think it is. Very nippy. Winds dropped right off, so I haven't got a wind chill, but it was forecast for -7, so if the wind does pick up, then I guess it will be. But we are freezing up a little bit near, as you can see. Yeah, chilly night, but I'm in the bivvy bag. I don't mind. Got all the down stuff on as usual, so nice little warm drink before I go to kip as usual. A nice one in the morning. But if anything changes, I'll see you. If not, I'll see you in the morning. Good morning, people. It was a cold one last night. I'll put the temperatures on the screen there. -8.44 degrees. So yes, nice and nippy. Stu said he felt it during the night when he got out to go to the toilet, but I slept very well in the snug pack. Elite 3. Stu used exactly the same sleeping bag. Used a bivvy bag as well, and it did its job very nicely. Well, comfort rating of -5. Obviously we went a lot colder, but the bivvy bag does add a few degrees to that. But yeah, what a morning, what a sunrise, as you've just seen. Got the moon just fading away there in the background. Tent's just thawed out in this panel here. Yeah, lovely and cold. Well, I should have put that in my sleeping bag. Absolutely rock solid. Same again. Absolute glorious morning out here. Still a bit of snow there on top of the Cheviot. Looks like it has melted a little bit since yesterday. So to deflate it, you get your flex tail and you don't put it on that end, you put it on the end where you can see the motor which is in there. So you get that end there, put the end on that you need, which is that one for the big Agnes to deflate it. So I've let it all out. I'm going to stick that on and I'll get the remainder out. So push it in nice and firmly, 2 clicks. There we go. As you can see, it is starting to pull it out more. I think that's about max there already. So as always, leave no trace. That's where I was. That's where Stu was. Little flat bits of grass. As you can see, the different layers of the circular hill fort. Very nice one that. There's loads up here. But I hope you've enjoyed it. We have. It's been a nice cold camp. A little bit colder than what we expected. But we know our equipment was adequate for the job, so we're really happy with that. Hopefully there's a few more. Hopefully there's a few snowy ones. It's very nice. You can tell it's coming on a lot more in the year. But if you haven't already, get subscribed anyway, and I'll see you on the next one.